Since the dawn of history, humanity has always looked to the past and wondered, how did we get here and what came before? Discovering long-hidden artifacts and mysterious relics allows us to uncover our story, a story of resourcefulness, innovation, and progress. Now, thanks to modern science and technology, we're able to solve age-old puzzles like never before. From mapping the remnants of ancient civilizations with flying lasers, to using high-tech scanners to unlock the secrets of the mummies, to exploring the world of our ancestors through virtual reality. By unearthing the past, we gain insights that help shape our future. And now, it's your turn.
STEM now plays a large role in archaeology. Questions that we thought we would never know the answers to, we are now finding the answers to. It's a revolutionary time to be involved in archaeology.
I'm excited to find the traces of everyday life in the archaeological record, which helps us reconstruct a story of people that otherwise wouldn't have left a trace.
It's so important to study history through artifacts. They provide us with information that we don't get just from texts. Archaeology is a tool of history. It's new discoveries all the time, and having that feeling of somebody used this in the past and trying to understand what they used it for, in what context, and building the history of those people.
Archaeology has changed through the use of exciting new technologies. 3D scanning, laser scanning, lidar, where we can study things on the ground.
Some of the challenges I would be really interesting to see technology help us fix is a way to excavate without having to destroy anything.
One of the ways that you can prepare to be an archaeologist is being interested and curious about the material culture. Go to your local museum, go to local archaeological sites. There's plenty of archaeology just all around us.
I want you guys to have fun with this. I'm so looking forward to hearing and seeing what you come up with. That's going to be super thrilling for me. So get into it, go for it, and have fun.
Good luck. I'm so excited to hear about what you create. It's really exciting to think that some of you might be the archaeologists that I work with in the future here at Macquarie University. Remember that what you really need is to be excited and curious and ready to solve all of those little puzzles that are part of what we do in our jobs today.
Best of luck with the event. Let your imagination run wild. Work hard in the teams that you are in. Sometimes the most valuable discoveries come from the most unexpected places. Who knows what you'll uncover?